Hi guys, today in this class we are going to discuss about modal verbs, an introduction to modal verb. What are modal verbs? Very simply put, a modal is a helping verb, also known as a type of auxiliary verb that adds meaning to the main verb. Modals enable you to use a single main verb in different ways or modes. Look at the example. Shall we start the lesson? Look at the example. Shall we start the lesson? Of course we should. Can you tell something about yourself? Oh, sure. I must know everything about you. That might take a long time. This is a small conversation. In this sentence, we have must as a modal verb. Here, might. Here you can have can, and this question we have shall as a modal verb. These are some examples for modal verbs. There are 9 modal verbs in English. As you all know, these are can, could, may, might, will, would, shall, should, and must. Modal verbs add information. They can add possibility, certainty, and obligation. There are certain rules to use modal verbs. Rule number 1, modal verb plus infinitive without to. The infinitive of a verb has 2 forms, the to infinitive and the infinitive without to. The to form consists of to plus the base form of the verb. Example, I want to eat. They came here to work. I just want everyone to be happy. We use the infinitive without to after modal verbs can, could, may, might, will, would, shall, should, and must. For example, Lata can dance beautifully. Lata can dance beautifully. We shouldn't write anything until we know more. We shouldn't write anything until we know more. Rani won't be here before 9. Example, I want to eat. They came here to work. I just want everyone to be happy. Here we have to form of the verb. To form of the verb. To eat, to work, to be. But we use the infinitive without to after modal verbs can, could, may, might, will, would, shall, should, and must. For example, Lata can dance beautifully. We shouldn't write anything until we know more. Rani won't be here before 9. So, modal verb should be followed infinitive without to. Rule number 2. Modal verbs don't have tenses. Modal verbs do not change in form to make different tenses. All modal verbs can refer to present and future time. Only some of them can refer to past time. For example, can. The past tense for can is could. And will. Past tense for will is would. Rule number 3. Modal verbs are auxiliary verbs. A modal is a type of auxiliary verb or helping verb that is used to express ability, possibility, permission, obligation. Negative form. Negative form of can is can't, would, wouldn't, might, mightn't, or might not. For will and shall, the spelling changes in the negatives. Will, the negative form of will is won't. See the change in the spelling. Shall, shan't. Rule number 4. To make a question, Move the modal verb before the subject. For example, should I meet her? What would they do? Here, modal verbs are moved before the subject. We have discussed about the basic rules of modal verbs. Hope you have understood the lesson. If you find this lesson is more informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.